Hello,
Hello
everyone.
everyone. Welcome to Daily Life Smart
English.
Today, let's practice how to make small talk at work.
Stay with us till the end, and you'll feel much more confident using these sentences at work.
Starting a new job can feel exciting, but it can also feel uncomfortable, especially when it comes to small talk at work. You might know your role, you might understand your tasks, but then someone says, "So, how's everything going so far?" And suddenly, you're not sure what to say. In a professional environment, small talk is not just casual conversation. It helps you build trust, feel included, and make a positive first impression. In this video, you'll listen to a realistic workplace conversation between a new employee and their colleague. You'll hear what to say in your first days at work, how to respond naturally and professionally, and how to sound friendly without oversharing. Stay until the end for shadowing practice with real sentences you can use at work immediately. And if you're learning English for work, subscribe to Daily Life Smart English for practical conversations you can actually use. Let's begin. Hi, my name is Alice. I've recently joined the company. Harry is a colleague who has been working here for several years. This conversation takes place during my first week at work in the morning at the office.
Good morning. You must be Alice, right?
Yes, that's right. Good morning.
Nice to meet you. I'm Harry from the operations team.
Nice to meet you too, Harry. I've just started this week.
Yes, I heard the HR announcement. Welcome to the team. How has everything been so far?
So far, so good. There's a lot to take in, but everyone has been very welcoming.
That's great to hear. The first few days can feel overwhelming.
Definitely. I'm still getting familiar with the systems and daily routines.
That's completely normal. It usually takes a few weeks to feel fully settled.
That's reassuring to know.
Have you been through the onboarding sessions yet?
Yes, I had a few sessions earlier this week. They were very helpful, but there's still a lot to remember.
Of course. Many things only make sense once you start using them every day.
Exactly. I'm learning something new each day.
That's the best way to approach it. Where were you working before joining us?
I was working at a smaller company, so this environment feels quite different.
I can imagine. The pace here can be a bit faster.
Yes, I've noticed that, but I'm enjoying the challenge so far.
That's a good sign. A positive mindset really helps.
I agree. I'm trying to take things step by step.
What does your role involve?
I'm part of the project coordination team. I'll be supporting several departments and helping with communication and scheduling.
That's an important role. You'll be working with many teams.
Yes, that's what I've been told. I'm looking forward to learning how everything connects.
You'll definitely get a good overview of how the company operates.
If this situation feels familiar to you, take a moment to like this video. It really helps the channel and lets me know these lessons are useful. Let's continue.
Alice, have you had a chance to explore the office yet?
A little. I'm still learning where everything is.
That takes time. The office can feel quite big at first.
It really does. I actually got lost yesterday.
That happens to everyone. Don't worry about it.
That's good to hear.
How are you finding the workload so far?
Yeah, it's manageable at the moment. I'm focusing on understanding expectations before taking on too much.
That's a very sensible approach. It's better to build a strong foundation first.
Exactly. I want to make sure I'm doing things correctly from the beginning.
That mindset will serve you well here. Have you met most of the team already?
Not everyone yet. I've met a few people, but there are still many names to remember.
That takes time too. You'll get there.
I hope so. I'm doing my best to remember everyone.
If you ever need help or clarification, don't hesitate to ask.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
No problem at all. We've all been new at some point. Are you settling into your schedule okay?
Yes, I think so. I'm still adjusting, but it's getting clearer each day.
That's good. Once you find your rhythm, things become much easier.
I'm looking forward to that.
Well, I won't keep you any longer. I'm sure you have plenty to work on.
Thank you. It was really nice talking with you.
Likewise. Let me know if you need anything.
I will. Have a great morning.
You too. And once again, welcome to the team.
Now it's time for shadowing practice. I'll say each sentence once. Repeat immediately after me. Focus on calm tone, natural rhythm, and professional clarity. Let's begin. Nice to meet you. I've just started this week. So far, so good. There's a lot to take in. Everyone has been very welcoming. I'm still getting familiar with the systems and daily routines. That's completely normal. I'm enjoying the challenge so far. I'm focusing on understanding expectations. If you ever need help, don't hesitate to ask. It was really nice talking with you. Great work! These small conversations help you feel more confident, more connected, and more comfortable at work. You don't need perfect English, just clear and polite communication. If you want more workplace conversations like this, subscribe to Daily Life Smart English and keep practicing with me. Okay, I'll see you in the next lesson.